Welcome to this complete digital marketing business course. And I want to highlight the word business for you because digital marketing is a phenomenal tool, but let's treat it as a tool. I'm going to teach you how to use that tool in this training. Whereas still the underlying fundamental piece is always going to be business. So an online business is still a business. And this is one of the biggest misconceptions out there alongside other digital marketing courses and seminars you may have gone to in the past. One of the key things to remember, period, throughout this course is that digital marketing and business coincide with each other to then produce a positive result. In this training, we're going to teach you how to use these tools and techniques for any business, whether it's a startup, whether you have an offline business and you're bringing it online, or whether you have an online business currently and you want to expand it, because we're going to be showing you a model which works for any business. That model is called BATON, but that will make more sense later into the training. Typically, so when we talk about, just to give you an example of what you can expect in the course, what you can't expect is tools, tricks, hacks, without the underlying explanations and technical elements to put it all into place. So if you've gone into the internet in the past and saw top 10 hacks to improve your SEO or the best landing page optimization, these things are all great, but they basically believe that you currently have a business or a product in place. So if you're currently running a blog, these tools are amazing. But what if you're a very busy business owner? You don't necessarily have the time to learn these tips, tricks, and hacks over here. So what we're going to be doing is splitting this course into two parts. You've got myself, Harminder, which Shivani kindly introduced us. I am a multi-business owner and love passionately teaching all the learnings that we experience through our own business, through our clients, and the other internal projects that we run, sharing that with the audience. But my skill set is in explaining it and making it simple, not only for the layman, but the business owner, whether you're busy, whether you understand this, is giving you a pre-framed explanation on what Kyle will be talking about. So Kyle is a digital technical expert. He has an MBA and he's been using the MBA for many years, not just to work for the big corporations, but instead start his own businesses. So we're going to be doing this in two parts. There's going to be an explanation and a simplification part, which I will be handling, and Kyle will be handling the technical expertise. So let's get into what we'll be covering in the BATON training.